how are you all doing? So in today's video I'm gonna talk all about facial oils. Now not specifically facial oils, but like oils. Now I don't know if you guys know, oil is really good for your skin. Like it's just giving food to your skin. Recently I've discovered a lot of things about oils, and I've like actually seen so big difference and all of that stuff. Back then when I was small and all of, I specifically have oily skin, so I always stay away from oils and moisturizers and creams and this and that, because obviously it makes me more oily and like it looks really greasy and like it feels really bad. As I started knowing about skincare and all of that stuff, I really wanted to give this stuff a try, which is a facial oil. Now specifically for facial oil, to have a facial oil, you don't need to buy. You can use coconut oil, you can use olive oil, or like so many other kinds of oils. Basically all organic products are like, they are extracted oils, and they all have their own benefits, which is so like, even almond oil is so good for the skin. It is full with vitamin E, and I think dry skin people is like, it's a rescue for dry skin people, vitamin E, or like all of this kinds of oil like coconut oil and all of this oil. But specifically I have oily skin, and the oil which I'm trying for past 3 months is so good. Like I have to talk about it, and it has worked so wonders, and that's why I wanted to do a whole video on that. So I have tried that oil in like 2 different brands so that I can just test it out, and both of them are like, both the brand from which I bought is organic. Obviously I bought from Nykaa, as I talked about Nykaa in almost like my second video. I think most of you guys know it's like the #1 skincare and makeup selling online brand, online like website. It sells all of the skincare and makeup stuff. I got it from there, and I pretty much you get discounts anytime and every time over there. So that was a big deal. Okay, anyways, coming back to the product, today I want to talk about grapeseed oil. Now I don't know if you have heard about this term, grapeseed oil. Now grapeseed oil is basically oil which is extracted from the seeds of grapes, obviously. It is very good for the skin. It is literally full with fatty acids and vitamins, which is so great. Like it is said that give moisture to your skin. Like the #1 key to stop aging is exfoliating and moisturizing, which is so important. Okay, as much, because the skin needs the moisture, because constantly it loses its moisture in like exposure to sun, heat, whatever that stuff. But you need to apply a lot of moisture from outside as well, so that it is like balanced and all. But we don't do, because obviously we feel greasy and all of that, so we obviously skip that part. But still I wanted to invest in like oil and all specifically at night, because obviously in the day I'll never apply oil so that it will just get so greasy and all. I just apply sunscreen, which is very important. Okay, so apply sunscreen. So in the night I obviously wash, like I have the CTM process, and I apply the oil and I go to bed. But the whole, like I have used this for past 3 months, and it has worked so good, because as I said, it is full with fatty acids and vitamins, which actually repairs the damaged skin. And if you have problems with it, works for a lot of skin issues. Okay, if you have problems with acne, skin tightening, it also gets rid of dark circles. Now specifically I don't have dark circles, but it just got really, like that part over here is very sensitive and like very undernourished, I can say, or like that part needs more moisturizing. So you need to apply a good amount of oils and creams and this and that onto you, but you just need one oil, and that will just sort you out. Talking about the brand, basically the first grapeseed oil, the brand from which I bought was Soulfla. I don't know, you can see it's almost terrible right now because I've used it so much. It is literally over. So this is how it looks, Soulfla. The Soulfla brand is one of the brand which makes an amazing amount of essential oils and oils of different, olive oil, castor oil, this oil, that oil, like oils basically. And their oils are like cold pressed. Cold pressed means the oils, when they make products, they don't use any kinds of chemicals, and they don't make their products like really fast. So it's like cold press. They make their products really slowly, and like every single bit of their product is extracted into the bottle. So always they will have a glass bottle, so that the I don't know what it is said, but it should not get exposed to sun. Okay, otherwise the nutrients and all of that stuff will just get outside. I think it's right, but yeah, that is what it is said. So it is said that it is cold pressed grapeseed pure nature's carrier oil, which is amazing. Okay, so obviously you have to apply this into a clean face. If you are dry skin people in the category of dry skin, you can also apply this in the morning and in the evening as much as you want, but obviously make sure that you don't apply a lot. You just need 2-3 pumps, and then you can just warm it into your palms and then apply. Oil actually nourishes your skin a lot. It's like as you nourish your hairs with oil, it is the same with the skin. Okay, so okay, that was the first brand which I bought, and I literally loved so much, and I wanted to try other brand. So I went with the brand Juicy Chemistry. I hope you can see. This is how it looks, the Juicy Chemistry one. Juicy Chemistry is a brand which make their product like very much organic. Now nowadays a lot of brands are coming with organic products, organic this and all, because like nature is really important. Okay, nature, like the a natural thing is important to our skin, and that will actually benefit rather than chemicals. Okay, I hope you understand. So even this is fantastic. Okay, the biggest thing is that both of them come in glass container. As I said, the reason why it comes in a glass container, so you have to be very cautious and like really, you know, you should like place it in a proper place. Otherwise if it just gets dropped, it will get broke. But like if it's like, I don't know, like I have not yet dropped it, and but I think it's a glass, so it can break. Okay, so the Soulflower actually doesn't come in like a dropper kind of a thing. The Juicy Chemistry one comes in a dropper stuff, so you have to just take it like that and then use it. It's very hygiene. Both of them are like very hygienic. You don't have to dip your fingers, which is very bad. And the Soulflower one, they came into a pump stuff, so like you have to pump it. So it's over almost. It is literally over. So that comes in a pump. So even that is really cool. Okay, even that is very clean. So that is the brand. And talking about the price, it is very affordable. I would not say cheap, but it is very affordable. The Soulflower one was almost around 250 or something. I just don't remember. I just got scribbled about the, I think it was for 350. The Soulflower one, I think it was for, but the quantity was more, so I think 350 was really affordable for at least the it literally this product went like, it just lasted me for 2 months, so I think it is a big deal. And the the Juicy Chemistry one is for ₹120, which is very affordable. But I'm using this, it just lasted, it's not over yet. I started using this in 3rd June. I have written over here the day. Whenever I start using any product, I write the date over there, so I actually get to know how much that product have lasted me. I don't know, I do that in all of my products, basically beauty or skincare products. I don't know why. So I think if this product is yet to be finished, like it is almost half, so I think it will also go for 2 months. So it's a very big amazing. So I didn't see any difference among both the oils. So I think you can go with this because this is quite affordable than this, but this is like very trusted brand, so it's like a bit expensive in that side. So that was like the packaging and all of that stuff, and what is grapeseed oil and all. Talking about benefits, like in skin benefits, it will actually it will actually cure your acne. It will just kind of get rid of the acne marks, which or pimples. Basically the pimples just leave that mark, like that terrible stubborn mark which doesn't leave, like doesn't go. That is very, I don't know, it lasted me for so many years, and I got rid of it. Like I did not got rid of it, but I'm just getting rid of it right now. Okay, I think only because of this, and also other things which I'm doing really religiously and all. It actually, as I said, it actually heals your dark circles. Like as much as you use, it will actually heal your dark circle and aging stuff, and all of it will minimize your pore size as well, so which is very good. Okay, it doesn't have benefits only for skin but also to hairs, which is so plus point. You can use this as a hair oil. It actually moisturizes your scalp because it is full with vitamin E, and vitamin E is a natural moisturizer. If you're just suffering from different kinds of if you're suffering from, like, you know, like moisture, if your skin is dry, your hair is dry, go with this. Okay, this stuff is amazing. This will just give like amazing moisture. It will actually give a amazing I'm talking about the consistency. It is literally non-sticky. It is not at all heavy or oily like coconut oil or olive oil. It is very lightweight. Okay, when you use this, you will feel that you have not applied anything. Okay, it's like water. It feels really good onto the skin, and also helps strengthen your hairs, which is very, like, it is very important, at least nowadays. So yeah, that was like my review slash my benefit of grapeseed oil, I'm gonna do a whole series of these oils. Like, I'm a big fan of using oils and stuff, so I'm gonna do a series. So coming up days, I'll also do different kinds of oil, like essential oil, like tea. I'm actually trying tea tree oil recently. I use it as a spot treatment if I get like a really like dark, I don't know, just coming up pimple or something. I just applied over there. It works wonders. So that is what I'm gonna review soon. If it works really well, then I'm gonna review. Otherwise, no use. So that is what I just wanted to talk today, and the giveaway is really coming soon. Definitely wait for it. I'm really happy, and I'm really happy that you guys are liking my videos, my past videos, which were like my games and stuff. I'm really like, a lot of amazing videos are coming soon. Like, I'm back with like more Josh and all. I just took a big break so that I can just make my content really good, and my quality, and I hope this quality is really nice because I'm filming in a new phone. Just a shout out to my new phone and my backdrop. I just got a new stuff. I'm just trying my best to do it really nicely. Okay, so that was it. I am signing off. I'm just taking a little, I don't know what to say. Okay, I'm really happy. Anyways, I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely give it a thumbs up, subscribe and all of that stuff. I'm gonna do the giveaway really soon. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.